4 to 5 questions. Okay. So 4 students at a time. Siri. Then Sinchana S. Bhatt. Then Karthik P. Hegde. Then next one is Aniket. 4 students. Be ready to write the answer in the chat box. Yes. Are you all ready? Siri, Sinchana S. Bhatt. Then Karthik P. Hegde, Aniket. Ready? Yes. Can you find the sheet here? Yes. First one is the Justice Party was started in the year 1916, 1925, 1906, and another option is, wait a minute, yes, 1929. Yes, all of you, please write your answer in the chat box. Justice Party. Please send your answers. Siri, Karthik P. Hegde, Aniket, and Sinchana S. Bhatt. Yes, all the 4 have given right answer. 1916 is the correct answer. Good. Huh? Next question is, yes, you can see it on the screen there. Yes, this person believed that, this person believed that Congress is in favor of Varna system. Jayaprakash Narayan, Narayan Guru, and you have M.G. Ranade. Last one is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and fifth option is Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar. Yes, type your answer, children, fast. What are you doing, children? I want answer. Yes.
Vijay Periyar Ramaswamy, Aniket Narayan Guru, and Anvit Naik.
Siri, Karthik Hegde. I got answer only from Aniket. I have chosen 4 students, no?
Karthik said Jayaprakash.
Yeah, Karthik, I got the answer. Jayaprakash Narayan. Next, Sinchana, yes, but what's your answer? Yes. Next, Siri, what's your answer? Siri, your answer? The correct answer is, it's not Jayaprakash Narayan, it's not Narayana Guru, it is Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar. That is the correct answer. He believed that Congress is in favor of Varna system. That's why he came out of Congress in the year 1925 and he started self-respect movement. Remember this? The person who believed that Congress is in favor of Varna system was Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar. Okay, yes, let us go for next set of questions. Yes, so here we have the question. Again, I want 4 students answer fast. Siri, Sinchana S. Bhatt, Karthik P. and Aniket. Yes, this movement was started for upliftment of Ezuhawa community. Self-respect movement, Satyashodhak Samaj, Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam, and Dravida Kazaga. Ezhava community's welfare. The purpose of this social and religious reformation movement was?
Niket sent
Yes.
option C. Siri also sent
Option C. Siri and Aniket have sent Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yoga. What about Sinchana S. Bhatt and Karthik P. Fast.
Karthik also sent same.
Okay, good. Siri, sorry, Sinchana D. Bhatt. So here also the correct answer is Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam. Ezhava community's welfare was the main aim of this religious reformation movement. Okay. Yes. Narayana Guru was its founder. Yes. Next question. This person was called Moola Shankar in his childhood. Swami Vivekananda, Rajaram Mohan Rai. Next one is Ramakrishna Paramahamsa and last one is Dayananda Saraswati. Answer please.
Siri sent answer, correct answer.
Yes, next.
Niket also sent correct answer.
Good. Next.
Sinchana but also sent correct.
Okay. Karthik P. Hegde, we are waiting for your answer.
She also sent.
Yes, same answer. Yes. Everybody's answer is same and it is correct. It is Swami Dayananda Saraswati. It's not Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa or your Rajaram Mohan Rai. Yes, Dayananda Saraswati. His original name was Moola Shankar. Okay, children. So next set of children, Anvit Ji Naik Banwasi. Be ready. Anvit Ji Naik Banwasi. Next one here, boy side, it will be Pratham Bhatt. Then from girl side again it will be Kripa and Vaishnavi GM. Vaishnavi GM, Kripa, Pratham Bhatt and Anvit Banwasi. Ready? Yes. So let us go for the question. So Theosophical Society was founded by Derozio, Annie Besant, Madan Mohan Malaviya. Fourth option is H.S. Alcott and Madam Blavatsky. Theosophical Society was founded by?
Sent option B.
B. Okay, next. Other three, please. Kripa.
Vaishnavi GM.
Vaishnavi GM's answer is option
D.
D. Vaishnavi GM sent option D. Anvit Naik option B.
Pratham Bhatt and Nibas.
Yeah. Pratham Bhatt says that it is option B. And Kripa. Kripa, I am waiting for your answer.
She also sent.
Which one?
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant. What about you, Akshay?
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant. See, children, Annie Besant is not correct answer. So, Annie Besant, she propagated the principles of Theosophical Society in India. Okay. The founders of Theosophical Society were Madam Blavatsky. She was, and with her, another person was there. It is H.S. Alcott. H.S. Alcott, he was a colonel. He was from United States of America. And Madam Blavatsky, she was from Russia. These two people, they established Theosophical Society, but it was propagated. The principles of this Theosophical Society was propagated by Annie Besant in India. Founders were different. Okay, Annie Besant was not at all the founder of Theosophical Society. Remember. Next question, children. Next question. Yeah. Yes. So enactment of a law prohibiting sati system was the achievement of which of the following socio-religious reformation movement? Arya Samaj, Satyashodak Samaj, Prarthana Samaj and Brahma Samaj. Enacting a law prohibiting sati system was the achievement of this organization. Yeah, I want the answer. Has anybody sent the answer? Akshay, what's your answer?
जी प्रार्थना
Okay. Next, other four. Akshay says that it is Prarthana Samaj. Please be quick. Vaishnavi, Kripa, Pratham and Anvit. Be very quick. Has anybody sent the answer, Akshay? You are taking too much time, children. What's this? That means you have stopped reading. Today you have exam also. Yes, has anybody sent the answer? Two have sent, I think.
this old one.
Old one. Okay.
जी प्रथम भट्ट sent Brahma.
Yes. Next, Pratham Bhatt is saying that it is Brahma Samaj. You are taking time, children. It may be wrong. Please, without looking into the textbook, answer me fast. Yes. Has anyone else sent? Time up. Okay.
Kripa also sent.
Kripa, what is her answer?
Satyashodak Samaj.
Satyashodak Samaj. Kripa is saying that it is Satyashodak Samaj.
अच्छा मैंने sent वैष्णवी जी ब्रह्म समाज.
Anvit.
Anvit Naik also Brahma.
Brahma Samaj is correct answer. See, next time you have to answer within 5 seconds. Otherwise, your time will be up. I will take answer from someone else. So the correct answer is Brahma Samaj, which was established by Raja Ram Mohan Rai in the year 1828. Children, remember, very landmark year in the history of India, 1828, establishment of Brahma Samaj and prohibition of sati system during the time of Lord William Bentinck. He was the viceroy of India at that time, 1828, and at that 1829, in the year 1829, sati system was abolished by an enactment. Okay, remember this. Okay, yes, thank you. So, okay, see next question. If you do not answer within 5 seconds, your time will be up. Okay. See, the question is Ramakrishna Mission was founded in the year 1893, 1897, 1861, 1875. Yes, tell me the answer very fast. Akshay, what's your answer? Don't think. Be quick. Answer me. Nobody answered, no? You are taking time, children. You should be quick. Performance is not good. You have to be quick, children. Okay, I will take answer from Vaishnavi V. Hegde. Vaishnavi V. Hegde, type your answer. Shreya Bhatt, type your answer. Who knows the answer? Please type the answer fast. Has anybody sent the answer? See, the children who know answer, please type your answer. Be little quick. Rashmi, can you talk to me, Rashmi? So nobody is trying to tell the answer also. Ashwit. Ashwit.
Option B.
Option B. Option B, 1897. You say that it's option B, 1897. Okay. Then next one is Sumuk. Sumuk,
Mataji, I had messaged you.
you have messaged me. I'm not using phone, Marie. You better if you chat in the chat box.
Mataji,
In
I
the
have
chat
messaged
box
in chat
itself,
box.
you have messaged. Okay. What's your answer, Sumuk?
1897, option B.
Okay. What about Shreya Bhatt?
Same answer, Mataji.
1897 is the correct answer. Okay. Shreya Bhatt. Shreya Bhatt, can I talk to me? Can you talk
Yes,
to me?
Mataji.
Shreya, see, can you hear me properly?
Yes, Mataji. Mataji,
Now
I have
take-
messaged you in the chat box.
You have messaged me in the chat box, but we
Yes.
didn't get. That's why, yeah, I was waiting for your answer. The correct answer is 1897. In the year 1893, what happened? Chicago World Religions Conference, Swami Vivekananda went there. He came back to India, and in the year 1897, he established Ramakrishna Mission, okay, to spread or to propagate the teachings of his Guru Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Okay, yes. Next question. Next question is, yes, the children who I have selected, Kripa, Vaishnavi, Anvit, and Pratham Bhatt. Yes, see, the question is, Vayakam Satyagraha demanded education for the girls, next property rights for untouchables, next one is entry for lower caste people in Shiva temple at Vayakam, and entry for lower caste people in Vayakam village. What is the correct answer? Message.
Krupa sent option C.
Okay.
Which is also option C. Pratham Bhatt option B. Anvit Naik option C.
Option C is correct answer. It is very popular, no? This Vayakam Satyagrahas, Vayakam temple entry movement. It is popular as Vayakam temple entry movement. So it was started by Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam, which was headed by Narayana Guru. Okay, good. Yes. Next set of children. Next set of children. Yes, it will be Yashaswini. Yashaswini will be there with me. Then with Yashaswini, I will have Pratham Pandit. Next, I will have Bhuvana. And one more will be Sinchana D. Bhatt. Sinchana D. Bhatt, Bhuvana, Yashaswini, and whose name did I take first? Yashaswini, Bhuvana, Sinchana D. Bhatt, and Pratham Pandit. Yes, Pratham Pandit. Next page. Next. Yeah, the question is, the Anglo-Oriental College was established at Banaras, Aligarh, Madras, Bombay. Anglo-Oriental College. Akshay, what's your answer?
Which is Banaras.
Banaras. Akshay says that it is Banaras. Next.
Which is sent Banaras.
All of them have sent Banaras. Yes, Banaras. Is it correct answer? Ashwit?
Which is Yashaswini sent Aligarh.
Yes, so Yashaswini has sent Aligarh as answer, and it is the correct answer. Aligarh Anglo-Oriental College it is. Aligarh Muslim University, it was also famous as. It was established in the year 1975 by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Remember? So this was established in the year 1975. Aligarh is the correct answer here. Yes, let us go for next question. M.G. Ranade, then R.G. Bhandarkar and N.G. Chandavarkar were the prominent leaders of Satyashodak Samaj, Brahmo Samaj, Prarthana Samaj, Arya Samaj. Akshay.
Satyashodak.
Akshay says that it is Satyashodak Samaj. Okay. Pratham Bhatt, Bhuvana, Sinchana D. Bhatt, Yashaswini. Please answer me.
Which is Pratham Bhatt.
Pratham Pandit, sorry.
म्हणजे प्रार्थना समाज.
Prarthana Samaj. Pandit's answer is Prarthana Samaj. Bhuvana.
म्हणजे पन्नागालचा सेंट सेम.
Yeah. Bhuvana. Bhuvana. Sinchana D, but didn't get your answer.
Mataji, I already messaged in chat box.
You have messaged. What's your answer, Marie?
Prarthana Samaj.
Prarthana Samaj is the correct answer. Okay, Prarthana Samaj is the correct answer. Good. Next. Next set of questions. ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್? ಅದನ್ನ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ವಾ ವಿಂಡೋ? ನೋಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಸಮಾಜ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Yes. So this person started a new movement based on Dravida racial identity. On the basis of Dravida racial identity, this person started a new movement. So Jyotiba Phule, next option is Narayana Guru, third option is Periyar, and fourth option is T.M. Nair.
Amit Naik sent option C.
Next.
Periyar, Sinchana aspect sent Periyar.
Okay.
Many of them sent Periyar. Pannaga.
Okay, so the correct answer is yes. As you have told, the correct answer is Periyar. Periyar is the correct answer. Very good. Okay. Yes. Let us go for next one. Next question. Dravida Kazhagam, you remember, no? He believed that Ravana is the lord of Dravidians and Rama, he did not like Rama. He also did not like Sanskrit language, right? So this is what Periyar Ramaswamy Naikar believed in. Okay? Yeah. Next one, next question is Samvada Kaumudi was a periodical started by Dayananda Saraswati, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Swami Vivekananda, Atmaram Panduranga. Yeah. Samvada Kaumudi was the periodical started by. Who started this periodical?
Rajaram.
How many of them?
Bhuvana Naik, Ashwit, Nutan.
Nutan, okay, yeah. Next.
Yashasvi, many of them.
Yeah. So the correct answer is Rajaram Mohan Rai, the founder of Brahma Samaj is the correct answer. Good. Okay. Yeah. So next question. Next question. Wait a minute, children. Something is wrong here. Meeting is going to end within 5 minutes. Okay. So we will rejoin the meeting. Join with the same link. 42 are there. All the 42, please join fast. We'll end the meeting here and again we'll start the meeting. Be quick.